There is a trap that doesn't look like failure. It looks like learning. It looks like preparation. It looks like hard work. Every day it whispers, just one more lesson, just one more course, just one more video. And before you realize it, months or even years have quietly slipped away. Stay with me until the very end. Because by the end of this story, you may discover that the thing you believed was moving you forward was the very thing holding you back. Meet Alex, a 20-year-old college student with a dream far bigger than the room he lived in. His room reflected his ambition. A camera, a microphone, editing software installed, notebooks filled with story ideas, everything he needed to begin. Every corner of the room reminded him why he had started dreaming in the first place. Not to become famous, but to create stories that people would remember. Alex believed that somewhere there was one more thing he needed to learn before he could create his first video. Everything was finally in place. The camera was ready. The microphone was ready. The software was installed. All that remained was to press record. Monday, Alex sat down, determined to create his very first video, but before he even began, one thought stopped him. What if I'm learning the wrong editing software? Should I use Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut? At college, Alex prepared for a future he couldn't stop imagining. Every free moment became another lesson. Even during the quiet moments, Alex couldn't stop learning. Every spare minute became another opportunity to prepare. Alex wasn't avoiding the work. He was trying to eliminate every possible mistake before making his first one. But perfection always found one more thing to learn. The tutorials all seemed to agree. Better transitions, better sound effects, better color presets, better fonts, better assets. Alex slowly began believing that professional videos started with professional resources. Every new course promised the missing piece, so Alex kept buying them, certain that the next one would finally make him ready. But before he could finish one, another promised even more. Weeks turned into months. Alex had collected ideas, courses, assets, and endless knowledge. But when he finally opened his channel, there was only one thing he couldn't find: a single video. Every day, Alex believed he was getting closer. One more course, one more tutorial, one more resource, one more missing piece. He didn't realize that perfection wasn't leading him forward. It was quietly keeping him exactly where he was. Every step toward college carried another question. Could a better camera make his videos feel more cinematic? Would a different editing style finally make him good enough? His mind was always chasing the next improvement, so he never noticed what quiet consistency looked like. Days became weeks. Weeks became routine. Without noticing, Alex had spent months preparing for a beginning that never came. Alex never noticed how quietly life keeps moving. While we wait for the perfect moment, time never waits for us. At college, everyone seemed to know the secret. The best strategy, the fastest growth, the perfect thumbnail, the right algorithm. Alex listened to every conversation except the one that only experience could teach. Another month quietly slipped away. Alex collected more courses, more assets, more plugins, more ideas. His hard drive grew heavier, but his channel remained empty. Another month had quietly passed. The seasons shifted almost unnoticed. The days blended into each other, and Alex kept telling himself, "I'll start. Once I'm perfect." It happened on an ordinary evening, not because Alex was searching for answers, but because for the very first time, he simply looked. For months, this had been just another shop, just another window on a familiar street. But today, something made him stop. Curiosity has a quiet way of changing our direction. One step was all it took to leave the familiar and enter something new. Before we see, What Alex chose to do next, let me ask you, what's stopping you from taking your first step? If you're ready to stop waiting, write "Just Start" in the comments. If this story is helping you see things differently, leave a like. And subscribe to the Wisdom Verse, because sometimes one story can become your first step. Alex waited. The old man kept carving. Neither of them spoke. Every strike seemed to matter. Somehow, the silence said enough. After watching in silence, Alex finally asked the question that had been growing in his mind. He wanted to know how someone could create something so extraordinary. But instead of answering, the old man quietly smiled. He set down his tools and walked toward an old wooden shelf. Alex expected to see masterpieces. Instead, the shelf held something else, the beginning of a journey. At first, Alex assumed they belonged to someone who was still learning, but the old man gently shook his head. They were his own, years earlier, before the masterpieces, before the experience, before these hands knew the stone. He was simply a young man with a dream. He wanted to understand everything, every technique, every tool, every movement. He believed the more he learned, the better his first sculpture would be. Then one morning he stopped waiting. He reached for the chisel and made his very first strike. That's when everything changed. The stone responded differently than he expected. Every mistake revealed something no lesson ever had. Every mistake answered a question he didn't even know to ask, and every new sculpture began with that answer. He realized watching had shown him what sculpting looked like, but the marble became his teacher the moment he began. Some lessons aren't waiting in books or classrooms. They're waiting on the other side of the first attempt. Alex finally understood. Just like the young sculptor, he believed, one more lesson would make him ready. But the sculptor had discovered that learning had shown him the path. Action was what moved him forward. That evening, Alex came home. His room was exactly the same, but this time he didn't search for another tutorial. He didn't compare another camera. He didn't look for one more lesson. He simply sat down. For months, Alex had imagined this moment. This time, he didn't imagine it. He pressed record. The words sounded different out loud. The pauses felt awkward. His voice wasn't what he imagined. The first recording ended after only a few sentences. Then Alex opened the editor. It looked exactly like the tutorials, but using it felt completely different. Alex knew where the tools were. He remembered what they did, but when it was time to edit, he realized knowing wasn't the same as creating. So he recorded again. He edited again, and with every attempt, something became a little clearer. Something had changed. Not the camera. Not the software, not the room. Alex had stopped collecting lessons. He had started creating them. Hours later, it was finally finished. Not perfect, just finished. And for the first time, that was enough. Everything he had learned had brought him to this moment. Now there was only one thing left to do, and with a single click, Alex stopped being someone who wanted to create. He became someone who had. The next day, Alex started again. Not because the first video was perfect, but because he finally understood that the second could be better. As he created, he began to notice the things he had never noticed before. Every video revealed the next lesson. The first video taught him about audio. The next revealed the lighting. Every upload uncovered something. The last one couldn't. Video after video, Alex stopped counting what he had watched. He started counting what he had made. Video number 1 taught him audio. Video number 2 taught him lighting. Video number 5 taught him storytelling. Video number 11, pacing. Video number 26, sound design. Video number 53, confidence. Something unexpected happened. The same tutorials he had watched months ago suddenly made sense. Not because they had changed, because he had. For months, Alex had collected answers before he had ever faced the questions. Now every mistake became a question, and every lesson finally had a purpose. One morning on his way to college, Alex passed the workshop once again. And then he saw it. The sculpture was finished. Every mark, every strike, every small imperfect day had become this. Then his eyes drifted to the shelf. The same imperfect sculptures were still there. And suddenly he understood. The masterpiece hadn't begun in the marble, it had begun there. The old sculptor looked up. Alex smiled. And so did the sculptor. Nothing was said. There was nothing left to explain. Every creator dreams of making their 100th masterpiece, but no one reaches it without creating their first imperfect one. Learning is essential. Knowledge is powerful, but knowledge alone has never built a business, written a book, carved a masterpiece, or changed a life. Action gives knowledge its purpose. Alex didn't become a better creator because he bought more courses. He became better because every imperfect video became his teacher. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect moment, stop waiting. Pick up your camera, pick up your pen, pick up your dream. Just start. If this story gave you the courage to begin, leave a like. It tells YouTube this message deserves to reach more dreamers. And before you go, tell me, what dream will you finally start today? Leave it in the comments. If someone came to your mind while watching this story, share it with them. And if you believe stories can change lives, subscribe to The Wisdom Verse, because sometimes one story can change everything. See you in next story.